faster as it goes higher. Hi, baby. Oh, he just found something in the seat and ate it. He just took it out of his mouth. It's in his hand. So we are up, I say bright and early, it's really just like normal time, but we had to get up with a little more gumption today. So we are going to Silver Dollar City, we're taking the babies. The teenager is at his grandparents' for the weekend, but Gerardo's here, so we're gonna take him for a little SDC action. So we're finally leaving the house only 35 minutes after I wanted to, and one of us has fallen ill.
We have made it to the Branson Chick-fil-A.
How you feeling, Gerardo?
That much better.
That madhouse in here.
This is our future. You excited for this? Yeah, this is a theme park, Gerardo. It's themed to the pioneer days.
Back when slavery was.
Actually, that's true. It's Gerardo's first time.
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't think I've ever been to Silver Dollar City, and it's been over 70 degrees. It's always so cold. We always come in December.
It's been effing hot, so this is nice.
So this is it. The jewel of the Midwest. Ready? What do you think, dude?
Grady, are you ready for the frog ride? You got this, Brofus. Oh gosh, some kid is not a fan.
I'm so excited, Grady.
Can you give me 5?
High five.
Yeah. We're going for that caterpillar right there.
Number 2. It's kind of manly. I can't fit in this thing. Oh my gosh. This is like super tight fit. You gotta push this button. Push the button. Just like that. There you go. Dude, you look like somebody on a wanted poster. The hooded man. What's up, dude?
What's up, ladies?
Grady, are you ready to go to the fireman's playground? Place was insanity.
Very loud. Could be lots of fun if there wasn't 90 kids running around.
Yeah. We're done with our Silver Dollar City adventure. How do you feel?
I feel like it was a full day even though it was not a full day.
Silver Dollar City kicked our butts apparently.
3 adults versus 2 babies.
So we are at our friends Aaron and Josh's vlog, but we're swinging by to see them on our way home. Your house is awesome. Yeah. This is cool.
I really want to repaint it. At first I thought bright yellow would be...
Yeah?
Yeah.